more important thing you can do than save lives in such examples. So Varigard and Draganfly and the innovative process you're going to put today is going to make it safer. It's going to make us feel more comfortable to go back to these events and get life back to normal as soon as we can. So Dr. Ross, to you and your staff and trustees, congratulations on what you're doing. Thank you very much.
We've had a great partnership, and we're excited to expand that today with our partnership with Varigard and our new spraying system.